Hello friends, I am Saket Bansal. I am a lead trainer at Eisenbridge Consultancy Private Limited, and in this video we are talking about PMP certification. PMP stands for Project Management Professional. Now you may think, is this a right certificate for you? It depends upon your career goals. If you are looking for career in project management, PMP is must have for you. You may not find good project manager role or job vacancy without having PMP as a threshold requirement. This brings you at a standard where you can compete with other project managers. Now, there are some eligibility requirements which you need to qualify before you go for this exam. Now let us look at some of the eligibility requirement. Now these requirements can be looked into two dimensions. One is related to education and other is related to experience. If you are bachelor degree, 4-year plus degree or equivalent, then you need to have 3 years of experience in leading and directing project work. You should be involved in leading the team. It's not necessary to have a designation as a project manager, but you should be playing a role where you are the one who sets the direction for the team. Now, in educational point of view, if you do not have 4 years of education or a bachelor degree education, then you need to have 5 years of experience in leading and directing project work. Along with this education, you also need to acquire 35 contact hours. Now these 35 contact hours are different from professional development unit. Now PDUs can be acquired via various ways. Even you can acquire professional development unit by doing self-study. But this can only be acquired by taking formal project management education. That formal project management education can be taken in a classroom or online, distance. In case you are taking distance or an online education, the end of course there should be some assessment. Once you qualify for these criteria, you can apply for PMP certification. Now you may think that how much money it's going to cost me. Now money, there are two dimensions of this question. One is the money goes to PMI, because for this particular certification you need to submit an application fee, and the other expense is your 35 contact hours. PMI roughly charges you $550. Now, why I said roughly? There are two fees. One is for members, other is for non-member. If you become a member, it will cost you $139. And the price difference between member and non-member will adjust or this particular $139. So it's better to become a member and then go for this certification. So you can take $550 as an expense for the certification application. The other dimension of cost is 35 contact hours. It all depends upon which service provider you select. If you are going for a classroom session, it may cost you $2,000. If you are going for an online education, you may get it in less than $100. So this is something which is variable and you need to take a call on the basis of quality of institute. Now you should remember one thing. Unlike many professional bodies, PMI is not that much involved in ensuring what that particular institute is teaching as part of 35 contact hours. PMI does not validate the qualification, the skills of a trainer. They don't take interviews and they just focus on the contents. The content should be aligned with PMI content outline, and the trainer should have sufficient experience of delivering training. So that makes you responsible for selecting the right organization and trainer so you can acquire the knowledge and skill along with the 35 contact hours. Now the third dimension which you may want to look at is the time investment. Now again, this is a variable factor. I find many people doing PMP certification in 2 weeks and few takes 6 weeks. If you are serious about this certificate, if you are spending nearby 20 hours a week, you should be able to do it between 4 to 8 weeks. But yeah, people do take more than a year. It is primarily because they are not consistently putting effort for the given certificate. Now, after knowing all this, you may want to know how I or my organization can help you in becoming PMP certified. We at Bridge will talk about not only 35 contact hours but certification. Our complete process is designed in a way that at the end of that, person get certified. You may get the 35 contact hours within a week's time, but our program is for 60 days. Now what we do, say Aizen approach, we have online video lessons. And these video lessons are followed by quizzes. And these quizzes are followed and supported by good amount of simulation tests. Now the problem with the simulation test, if you look around the market, is you find substantial amount of data and you may get confused by looking at the questions which are available in the market. I find many people delaying their PMP certification exam just because of the complexity they find in various practice tests. Many of the practice tests which are available in the market does not represent the real PMP exam. Here we try to give you the nearest simulation of the concepts which are getting tested in the PMP certification. Rather than making the exam too complicated and too ambiguous, we try to keep focused at the rigor which is equivalent to the real exam. And we do a live webinar. And facilitation sessions. This is something which is very unique with us. Once in a month, we have 4 hours long facilitation session where our students can come and talk about their issues, their queries related to PMP certification. They can attend as many times they want to do it. There is no restriction. Even the program is designed for 60 days, but you can attend this live webinar n number of times. Plus, we support this complete learning with communities. We have community at LinkedIn, we have community at Facebook. We support this by way of email clarification. Unlike other training organizations, with us, you always get a trainer associated with you. Most of the time, I would be personally associated with you in your complete PMP journey. In case you have further queries related to PMP certification or related to our offering, feel free to contact me at my email ID or in any of our communities.